Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me Turtle Beach Stealth 700 in here. This is the top of the line, top of the class headset for your gaming needs. So we're gonna unbox this thing today, but also I'm gonna use the headphones and let you guys hear exactly what's coming out of the headphones. So make sure you have your headphones on, okay? That would be the best experience. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and then we will do a little test. Okay, so here's everything that's in the box right here. USB-C, you got yourself an Xbox dongle and also a USB dongle, which goes into your PC for you to use this on your PC, which is mostly what I'm gonna do. I'm not really a console person. I do have an Xbox. It's just that I wanna use my PC quite a bit, playing Overwatch and things like that. So here's some buttons right here. You got some modes. I'm pretty sure, you know, different equalizer and things like that in terms of the mode. Here is a volume button. Then there is also a button where it will let you listen to more of the game sound versus the voice chat, so you can adjust that right there. The USB-C port for you to charge. And then on this side right here is another volume button. Now here's the thing, I believe, and I'm just taking a wild guess here, that this volume right here is actually for your mic, the volume for your mic, and then this one right here is probably for the headset itself, like the music. Obviously, if you look at this, you know that this thing has a Bluetooth in it, so you can actually use this Bluetooth with your phone, and that's where this Bluetooth button come into play. This one right here is to change out USB to Bluetooth and things like that. So as you know, this thing has crossplay. That means that you can switch between Xbox, PC just by pressing a button. That's the selling point of this headset right here. Now let's take a look at how this headset folds. Okay, so that's important because a lot of time you don't want this thing to just like hit your neck right here. So it does fold down this way, which I really like. It's a lot more comfortable. Now when Turtle Beach came to me and asked if I want to take a look at this headset, I said yes because I saw this one thing right here. This is the mic. Now here's the thing, I don't know if you can hear or not, but I'm gonna do it next to my mic. You hear that? I like that a lot because when you have this thing on your head, you want to know if you're muted or not. So the one indicator obviously is that, you know, you're folding it up so that now you know you're muted, your mic is not hot, right? So you're not saying things that you shouldn't be saying. So that's one good thing, but then it also has that feedback for you right there as well. That's awesome. Not very many headsets do this, by the way, where they have this folding feature. I really like this a lot because a lot of time, guys, when I'm gaming with my gaming headset, it's usually like there's a mic right here at my mouth all the time, and it kind of gets in the way. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but for me, I don't like it. Okay, so in terms of the cushion, let's take a look right here. The entire thing is not leather, by the way. Right here, this is more of a nylon. Yeah, this is more nylon. It's not leather, okay? And what happens there is that I actually like that a lot because I do sweat around the ears, and whenever I use a headset that is like leather, it does get sticky. And I think I'm gonna like this nylon a lot, but obviously only time will tell. But yeah, that is one interesting piece that they've done right there. So how big is this headset? I have a really big head, and so anything that fits on my head will probably work. I'm gonna extend this all the way out. All right, so this is, I believe, the max right here. And it fit. I may even give it a little more room. Oh wow. Yeah, this feels comfortable. I actually really like the nylon. This is how it looks right here. Flip that down. By the way, the mic does come in just a little bit like that if you want to push that in. Interesting. As I'm talking, I can actually hear myself through the mic, which that's something I never thought about. That's a good feature. Okay, well, anyway, guys, Next up, let's do a little audio test. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to this headset right here. I'm gonna play a little music on my phone. You guys gonna be able to hear exactly what the headset sound like. So put on your headphones. Let's do it. All right, so I got a Bluetooth feature. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Okay, so just an FYI, if you do use Bluetooth on this thing, you can see that it tells you the battery level on the headset as well. Okay, so first we're gonna try this one song out. It's a little bass heavy, so just an FYI on that one. I'm gonna turn it like 80%. Oh, I can actually control my volume. That is a lot of bass. Okay, so this is probably the most bass-heavy gaming headset that I have ever tested. Yeah, they definitely look how big these speakers are in here. The reason why it's so loud and bass-heavy, I had to turn it down, was because this has a 60mm driver in here, guys. The standard, like the good stuff, usually have 50mm driver. Okay, this thing has 60mm driver. I think they're going all out with this one. That's the reason why the bass is so heavy. So the one thing that I do notice about this is that even though I have this over my ear, this little headset right here over my ear, it is comfortable. Well, basically what that means is that if you have glasses, this will be pretty comfortable for you, I think.